Commentary on Hugh Cook's Chronicles of Age of Darkness 2. There's Volume 1, The Wizards and the Warriors. Chapter 1. Name, Farfel. Birthplace, Galsbrick. Occupation, Wizard. Status, Master Wizard of the Order of Arl, with powers over light and fire. Description, very old gentleman man with scarred beardless chin, bald pate, black skull cap, sheep's teeth, grey robes, iron-shod wooden staff, leather boots. Residence, Sunside Chambers, Prime Tower, Castle of Controlling Power, near Drangstone. Okay. Right. So his name is Farfel, P-H-Y-P-H-O-R. He's a wizard. And it's about wizards and warriors. So obviously he's the first one mentioned in Chapter 1. So he's one of the primary wizards, one would imagine, of the Chronicles of an Age of Darkness. Farfel. His birthplace is Galsbrick. Okay. Let's see. There we have a map of Argon. There's a map of Argon. Okay. I think Galsbrick is actually in Ashmolean, which is not on this map as far as I understand it. It's in other maps, but I have a feeling that Galsbrick is possibly in Ashmolean, but I'm not sure for sure. It doesn't look to be on this particular map. But that's where he's from. He's from Galsbrick. He's a wizard, so, you know, he casts spells and uses magic. So obviously there's magical things which happen in the Chronicles of an Age of Darkness. He's a master wizard of the Order of Arl, with powers over light and fire. So Arl has an order, and we know what orders are, denominations and movements and institutions and guilds and things. So Farfel belongs to an organization. He has status in an organization. He's a member of an organization, and in fact he's a master wizard. So he's not just a juvenile wizard or possibly a regular wizard. He's a master wizard. He's obviously got quite a bit of experience. And his particular powers are over light and fire. So he's casts fireballs, one might imagine, and manipulates light in some ways. He might be able to light up a room with a wand or something, or with his staff or something, and uses fire. So he's a fire, sort of light fire wizard. That's his particular strengths. He's old. He's got a scarred, beardless chin. So he possibly shaves, I guess. A bald pate, so he's bald. Black skull cap. So where's a skull cap? Sheep's teeth, which were set by enchantment, we'll see later. The sheep's teeth set in his drawers by enchantment, just down a bit. Grey robes, so he dresses in grey, just like Gandalf. Iron-shod wooden staff. So he has a staff. Iron-shod wooden staff. So it's a wooden staff which is iron-shod. So he's got the makings of a classical sort of wizard. And leather boots. So traditional sort of garb he's in for a fantasy world. So he's a traditional sort of wizard. Now his residence is Sunside Chambers, Prime Tower, Castle of Controlling Power, near Drangstone. And we can see that right at the bottom of the map. Right at the bottom, Drangstone's just there, right at the bottom of Argon. Right on the side before it goes into the deep south, which is controlled by an entity called the Skull. Okay, so that's a bit of commentary on the first section, the name Farfel the Wizard. And we've learned a little bit about Farfel, and it just goes on a little bit. It was Farfel's birthday. He was 5,736 years old. His son saw no cause to celebrate. So he's obviously very old. So that's interesting. The Obviously, the Chronicles of an Age of Darkness has people who are old in it, so they're going to be a little bit savvy, one would imagine, and perhaps even a little bit sarcastic because I've lived such a long time. And he's an old wizard, and he's one of the chief characters of the Chronicles of an Age of Darkness. Farfel the wizard, the master wizard.